The last thing in our coupon API is to add a controller endpoint. So we'll be adding an empty controller here, which will be coupon controller. Let's go to the API endpoint for shopping cart and let's open up the cart controller. Let me copy a few things. First is the API controller and the route here. We'll paste it here, modify it later on, and we want few things with dependency injection. So let me copy those and we should be good. We'll change the controller name here, and rather than API cart, this will be API coupon. We have the iCoupon repository. We need the response DTO. Let's add the using statement. And perfect. So with this, we have modified everything for our coupon controller. Let me go back to the cart controller and just copy one method, which will be for HTTP GET, and we'll paste that instead of the index action. Now what will be the name? Let me call that get discount for code. And then for the route, we already have API coupon. The only thing that we will receive from the user is code. So here we will receive the coupon code. Based on that, we have to call our coupon repository. So underscore coupon repository dot get coupon by code. We will pass the code right here. Now, of course, you can add authentication here with the bearer token we already added in the startup file, so you could do that. I'll just keep it simple and not add the authorized keyword. We'll call this variable coupon here, and the result will be coupon. So we will assign our result with the coupon and we pass that back. So with this, our coupon controller looks good. Now from the next video onwards, we have to consume this inside our main project. So for that, if we run the project, we need to get the URL. Once you have that up and running, we will copy this URL, close the project, and let me configure the URL in the main project. So we'll go to our app settings and let me create here coupon API. Perfect. That's all that we will do in this video. Let's continue in the next one.